Can AI profile pictures get you a job? Will this technology replace the need for professional headshot photographers? I'm sorry, Alex, you're in trouble, mate. This picture of me, and we'll show it on the screen, is not real. So I uploaded hundreds of pictures of myself from every angle. You can tell it's a little bit off, but
let's have a look. Yeah,
we've been making these for social media posts, and within an hour we can create a month's worth of content. GPT for the text, and this type of tech for the pictures, right? And a lot of people are saying they've been using these professional pictures to, make their LinkedIn pages look better, or their Tinder pages, perhaps. You can use it for a number of reasons, right?
Hey, what's Tinder?
Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm married myself, so. But a lot of people are saying this is obviously quite an interesting thing, because it's only going to get better. Like, this is not going to get worse than what it is, and it's already pretty fucking good. So there's only one way it can go from here. But the topic is can AI profile pictures get you a job? But really the topic is this the future of photography? Really? What do you think, James, when you see that picture?
I think, to answer the question, can a AI profile picture get you a job? Broad strokes, yes, I would say, because
it can help.
It can help, right? Because I think having an image that is conducive to the type of work that you do, I think is important. This is why celebrities and they care so much about their brand image, right? And they control that very closely. And if you take that example that you've shown there, that looks like you, right? Had I not, we've met a few times, so I know what you look like, right? But if that's the image that you see, and then I meet you for the first time, I'm not going, oh, that's wildly different from that picture. Sure. And it's a nice picture, looks professional, you look good in that. So it's okay, no, I'm just being nice.
I'll pay you later.
And exactly. But the point is that how is that actually really different from what people have been doing for really the last 10 years with Instagram filters and Snapchat filters
or Photoshop.
Photoshop. It's no different. It's just automating the process, in my opinion. I think, yes, if you use it for nefarious reasons and it's completely wildly off, then okay, that's not a great thing. But people catfish all the time across the dating app scene, honestly, across LinkedIn anyway. So I think overall, I think it's just an evolution of touching up photos, which people have been doing probably since photos ever existed. I mean, I think, if you go way back, people have been retouching photos, doing all sorts of stuff. It's just next evolution. It's just an application of AI, and it's a good application.
Yeah. What do you think?
I completely agree with everything James said. I mean, that's why you go to a professional photographer, right? Have the right lighting, have your image taken with the right props, get it done up, professionally edited so you could look good on your LinkedIn profile or whatever other system you're using to propagate your image. And I think, as James, you rightly said, what this is doing is automating that process. Now, is it morally wrong? Probably not, because Alfie, if you wanted to take that picture, you would wear a suit like that. You would go to a studio somewhere where a professional photographer will take that mugshot and then professionally edit it using something like an Adobe Photoshop or image editing tool. And what this AI tool is doing is saving you that hassle. So if I put my customer obsession hat back on, as a customer, I think it's brilliant. It saves me that hassle. And imagine the possibilities, the opportunities this opens for people who can't really afford a 100, 200 quid photo shoot for their CVs or their job profiles, right? This gives them that opportunity which has not been made possible for them so far with conventional methods. And equally, I think for professional photographers, this is a tool that they should really, really put in their toolkit. And you could, if I were a professional photographer, I might just come up with a package, 30 quid, 20 quid package, which is like, I'm going to use Gen AI. You send me, I'll take the headache away from you. You send me your images and I will use them and Gen AI to give you your portfolio images. So that a normal person who's probably not that tech savvy or was not comfortable, flapping around with Gen AI systems, still has that human touch point of an expert who can do it on their behalf, but at a much reduced cost than has been possible before. So I think there's a win-win here.
It's a co-pilot currently, rather than a replacement for a photographer. I really see this being probably a free built-in feature to every social media platform. When you upload your profile picture, it will go, hey, here's 20 variations. Maybe I'm maybe I'm thinking too far ahead there, but do you see that being a possibility where you update your ex profile picture and then it's like, you know, hey, what do you want to wear? Do you want to wear, you know, suit, casual? You know, do you want to be going snowboarding? Do you think that's going to be a possibility where people taking pictures, almost like selfies, kind of not goes away, but it becomes less about the selfie and more about you take 1 or 2 pictures and then boom, AI's created it all for you instantly without having to go to a photographer. It's just done in the background. Do you see that being a possibility?
100%, and I can talk to this quite deeply because in our zero gravity sign up flow, bearing in mind our kind of user profiles are young people 18 to 22.
Yeah.
The biggest blocker in our sign up is the profile picture selection stage. If you can believe it, that is the point that people drop off the most because they spend ages choosing. And this is not even like a dating profile or a social, this is a zero gravity profile. Okay, so it's like it's got a, but people spend forever there. And what we did was we didn't do like AI versions of it, but we just allowed you to choose an avatar, and that dramatically dropped the amount of time that people are spending on the page, and actually a huge number are used to just pick an avatar just to get going, right? So I think like that's a great feature to be able to say, okay, like just put a picture of your face in here and then we'll kind of make it cool and we'll put it in a different scenario. Then I think that would that would be a great feature for any product, I think. So yeah, I would say that is the next step.
What are your thoughts, Nick?
Very interesting, actually, James. That was your biggest roadblock.
Yeah,
It's super interesting.
It makes sense though, for young people.
It makes complete sense when I think about it. So, and well done on solving it in the way you solved it, man. Like, honestly, well done. No, again, completely agree with James on this. Alfie, nothing more to add. We can probably move on. You've got it well.